When I think of prep, the first thing that comes to my mind is family.
The students here take such pride in what kind of culture and what kind of family we are and the experience that the younger students should have.
Moving from another state, it was definitely a pretty scary process for me, not knowing anyone from the beginning, but once I came here and went to open house, met a lot of great people, and they welcomed me right away.
You're not a senior, you're not a junior, you're friends, and you forget who's in what grade, and you just all can blend together and enjoy each other and not worry about who's from where and who's who.
Here at Prep we have a really strong academic program, but the Grad at Grad, which are Jesuit high schools, hopes for a graduate at graduation. Academic excellence is only one of those goals. We also hope, while we're forming our students' minds, that we're also forming their hearts, teaching them how to be loving, committed to service, open to growth. These are just as much, if not more, a part of the Scranton Prep experience than academic excellence.
I mean, everyone here really cares about each other and really wants to see each other succeed, and everything we do is for the good of each other, and we really work towards helping each other be the best we can be. We really want to see each other do well in the world.
There won't be a day that goes by that you don't feel like you've been loved in some way, shape, or form. People remember who you are and how you treat them, not the things you give them.
It's cool to be smart. It's a place where kids come and they don't have to be embarrassed about their talents. They don't hide them under bushel baskets, but they let their light shine and are taught to develop those talents so that they can use them for the good of the world.
The mission has always, always been the same: to foster compassion, conscience, and competence.
When I think of prep, I smile immediately. I see faculty and students interacting in the classroom, outside of the classroom, on service trips, on retreats.
6th grade, 7th, 8th, you're just kind of like growing up, but like here you're kind of like growing out.
If I could stay at prep forever, honestly, I would. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm so excited to go off and experience college and do so much out there, but the environment at prep, I'm gonna miss it so much. I'm gonna miss these friends and these teachers so much.
Go forth and set the world on fire.
I wouldn't trade these 4 years for the world.